Hi mga Blissy, how are you? May issue lang ako. Bilis-bilis. Bumili ako, I bought a dry seaweeds because I like seaweeds, and then I put it to my miso soup. And then when I eat, I found this, mga Blissy. First, I found a hair, and then now I found this one, plastic. Plastic, mga Blissy. Tingnan nyo yan. Oh my God. Plastic. Nakuha ko yung Blissy dito sa seaweeds. Tingnan mo yan. Plastic. Ang grabe. Grabe. And then I found also the hair. So, I don't know. This is a dry seaweeds. So, and then now I will show you if this is really fake. Oh my God. Look at that, mga Blissy. Oh, maapoy talaga. Oh, maapoy. Umuusok. Tas min plastic. So, mag-aware tayo, mag-careful. Kasi hindi na naman gagano mga Blissy kung hindi siya piki. Piki talaga binili ko dito sa US, sa Chinese store. Ang amo niya parang papel na parang ganito na mabaho at saka ano, oh my God. Kaya be aware kung anong binibili natin. Be careful. Kasi I watched this on the TV before, but this is real. This is real, the people that are sharing. So be careful. So this is fake, so I need to throw this. Yes. Oh my God. I cannot believe I wasting my money and then I ate the hair. Oh my God, what this? You know it's really, you know it's fake. You know it's fake talaga. Oh my God. I cannot believe, mga Blissy. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's fake. It's fake. Look at this. So be aware kung anong inaano no, ang binibili natin na tingnan ng maigi. Kaya I gonna throw this. I bought a lot. Because I like seaweed and then I like to make a miso soup. Alright mga Blissy, be careful and please share it para yung iba ma-aware man. Binili ko to po sa Chinese store dito sa US. I love you mga Blissy and thank you.